Today we are going to make a very tasty side dish for rice. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add half a cup of coconut bits and 2 finely chopped onions. Saute this till the onions turn light brown. Now add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, and a little salt. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2.5 cups of chopped beetroot and 3 cups of water. Mix well. Cover it with the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Now reduce the flame and cook it without the lid for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Now add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute this for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Now it is ready to serve. This goes well with rice. Please try it out and post your feedback.